Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Wonderskin Wonder Blading Lip Stain, the one that claims to give 10-hour color, survive meals, coffee, masks, and even workouts. I've tested it in real life, so let's talk about results. The Wonderskin Lip Stain uses a two-step process, a blue lip mask and an activator mist that reveal a long-lasting color. It claims to be waterproof, transfer-proof, and fade-resistant with a natural stain finish. The first time I used it, it definitely worked. The color developed quickly, and after peeling the film, my lips had a gorgeous, even tint. It survived coffee and even a light lunch. I wear it to the gym once, and surprisingly, the color didn't melt or bleed. However, it's not perfect. The process is a bit messy at first. The blue film can stain the skin around your lips if you're not careful as well. Also, it is tricky to control how dark the color gets. Here are some of the flaws. Again, it is messy to apply. There is a slight chemical taste from the activator, and there is some dryness after a few hours, so I had to top it with a gloss. Honestly, it is impressive. It truly lasts, but it's not for everyday lazy mornings. If you're into low maintenance color that actually stays, it is worth trying. Just moisturize after. Performance, solid. Comfort, average. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.